This one here, they're the floorboards out of a dinghy made by the Wooden Boat Association at the Sydney International Boat Show back in late July, early August. And it's all been dumped on my doorstep, so the floorboards are pretty rough, so I've gone around the edges and rounded them off. They still had sharp edges, and you never have sharp edges around a boat. You know, they're going to get damaged, and that's where water will get in. Someone's put a coat of oil on, and this one I've just sanded back. See, it's a little bit darker, but this one, it's rough from so it's furred up from the first coat of oil. So I'm going to give that a fine sand with the Mirka Beast, and then put some more oil on it. And I'm going to do underneath. I'm not just going to do the top like was done to it. So it'll look pretty Mickey Mouse by the time I'm finished playing with it. And I did one in our exterior clear oil finish, which has got a red tint to it. When it was wet it didn't look nice, but it's starting to come up looking pretty good. And this one's for light hardwoods, but I don't like the yellowy colour. I prefer the red in it. So I'm going to do them all in the red. So that's him. Aussie Clear Oil. It's magic stuff.